Hey everyone, Chris here at healthcareinnovationhub.com. I just wrapped up another great round of physician and staff photography, and I wanted to give you a quick look at exactly how we get this done. Most days I'm rolling in early before the first patient arrives, setting up a compact photo station in an out-of-the-way spot. One at a time, the docs start dropping by. We capture a few clean shots, and they're off to start their day. The energy then continues, and the staff joins in as they arrive. Together, we make quick work around the center's rhythm to keep things running smoothly. When we're doing B-roll or website-style shots, I'll usually gather a small group of team members at the end of the day, sometimes giving them light direction while staging a few scenes to show off the center's atmosphere. It's quick, respectful of everyone's time, and always a collaborative effort. What I always find incredible is how these visits become more than just an image capture. They become important intel captures into each center's daily operations and immediate patient flow needs. The relationships built and insights shared help improve important tools like this and contribute to the development of even more. It's been inspiring work, and our team is proud to be part of it.